Oh, congrats, Nuki. Magandang feedback sa iyo sa Sahaya. Ako na kapanood, but tell me about your role.
My role in Sahaya, I play the role of Salida, who is mom to Benjamin Alves. And ano siya, she's a scheming character. Pailalim siya, bad reviews, very devious character. But I'm very happy to have been given the blessing to portray her character. Kasi it's not that often na napoportray ko yung mga characters. More often than not, excuse me, puro mga babait, pinaapi. Ngayon naman ako naman yung nangaapi. Ako naman yung nang-antagonize. It's quite interesting. It's an interesting role to portray. So I'm happy that I was given the chance by May Kapuso Network.
Totally different siya sa personality mo. Di ba? So,
actually, love you. Thank you, Dito Ricky, sorry.
How do you find yung theme nung show na Badyaw?
Yung theme ng
show.
You know what? I'm so happy. I'm so thankful sa Channel 7 bilang manonood na naisip ng Channel 7 ng mga bosses namin sa Channel 7 na to come up with this kind of a big project and how do you say that? Para bang highly informative, for lack of a better way of putting it, show. Kasi nakakatuwa, it's not your usual love story, drama. Pero pang may social relevance pa kasi pinag-uusapan yung mga kapatid natin Badyaw. And it tells us about their culture. Natututo pa tayo. Hindi na tayo nanonood pero nag-i-enjoy, pero nai-inform pa tayo.
Meron ka ba about their culture na talagang napawaw?
Yung mga rituals pala nila, kakaiba, grabe. And I say this with the utmost respect. I was so impressed, and up to now, I still am, parang na-flabbergast ako na, ganito pala ang ritual pag kayo ikakasal. Hindi siya pinabasta-basta. Pati rin yung ritual sa pagka merong nagkakasakit o yung namamatay. Mahabang ritual yung ginagawa. And not only that, yung of course, una sa lahat, yung pagkatao ng mga Badyaw. Nakaka-impress sila kasi they're all so resilient. Mga kapatid natin Badyaw, they're simple, they're humble people, but they're so strong. And napaka-industrious nila, napaka-masipag pala ang sipag nila.
Kamusta si Miguel? Kamusta silang dalawa?
Si Miguel at Bianca, nakakatuwa tignan kasi bagay na bagay sila. Unang-una, sa features, bagay na bagay sila dalawa. Pangalawa, nakikita ko yung chemistry nila eh. So, when they act together, and even when they interact outside of it, kumbaga, tuloy natin out of the camera, nakakatuwa yung yung friendship nila. So, I'm so impressed by their professionalism, and I'm also impressed by how humble and how down to earth they are. Napakababait ng mga bata. Their parents raised them very well.
Okay naman sila on set. Is it a happy set with them?
It's a happy set. I'm so thankful. Thank God na yung set namin is a happy set talaga. Everybody's so nice. Everybody's so chill. That you love going to the set kahit pa sabihin natin na malaking sakripisyo dun sa amin lahat yung 4-hour drive, 3-hour drive, 5-hour drive, going to our location. But once you get there naman, sulit naman kasi ang ganda-ganda nung, you know that you're part of a big project, part of a beautiful production. and you go to the set, and you know that you're going to be seeing all these wonderful people.
Kaya ako tinanong yon kasi parang some people expect na baka may tension between the two kasi nga parang nire-assert nila na we're not admitting anything, it's nothing romantic, but we're friends, so alam mo yun. But you're here saying...
To be very honest, wala ako na-notice na romantic.
Sa kanila?
Parang walang inclination na gano'n. Pero nakikita ko na it's apparent that they are friends.
Ano ba naging mo pagkakaiba na, kasi ikaw you've been in a very big love team before, di ba? You were one of the biggest love, you were part of one of the biggest love teams before. Pero ngayon ang dami ding love teams. Anong pagkakaiba? Nung panahon natin actually, at panahon nila.
Siguro naman panahon
natin.
Bata pa pa. Yung panahon kasi noon, parang mas cheesy kami noon. At saka mas parang no offense man, parang mas kami as an individual, bato-bato sa langit tamaan, wag magalit naman. Parang wholesome yung mga love teams namin noon. Very wholesome. As opposed to yung mga ibang love teams. Ngayon parang medyo na sila, medyo syempre nagbabago ang panahon. So mas na sila ngayon, mas liberated na sila.
Ikaw ba nagugulat ka pag narinig mo na young people live in together?
Medyo nagugulat ako, to be very honest, about their candidness and their being so open about it.
I see.
Siyempre kasi I come from the old school. Pero hindi ko naman sinasabing masama yun. It's their life, it's their business. And that's all I can say. Nobody can say, can tell them what to do except their families and so it's really up to them.
Gusto ko yung ginamit mong term, candidness and openness, kasi hindi mo gina-judge yung ginagawa nila, except yung pagiging open nila about it.
I know I'm not one to judge anyone, lest I be judged. I'm not perfect either. And yun na nga, yung sa akin kasi parang, I mean, it doesn't make you a bad person if you choose to live with each other, in my opinion. Kaya lang nga, ano lang, yung, siguro, ang difference lang nung araw, siguro meron man noon, pero hindi lang open, hindi lang ganun ka-candid about it. Ngayon, ang difference sa mga love teams ngayon na eventually nagiging sila, parang mas ano na sila, yun na ngayon. They don't care. They're braver, they're open, they're candid about the status of their relationship.
3 more questions. Anong i-expect pa sa pag-unravel ng story ng Sahaya?
What do I expect from it? I expect more exciting scenes to come out siguro and explode on the screen. Explode talaga yun. I mean, I'm expecting talaga mas marami pang pasabog na darating. Literally and figuratively speaking. That people will really have to, yung mga manonood po, expect nyo yun at sana panoorin nyo, supportahan nyo pa po kami, expect nyo yun. And I'm sure mas magugustuhan nyo pa po yung Sahaya kasi ang dami talaga mga exciting scenes pa. Hindi ko naman syempre gusto i-reveal pero nabasa ko na yung script. Ang dami pang mga pasabog talaga for that's the only way I can put it.
Open-ended ba itong Sahaya? Ibig kong sabihin talagang may bilang lang ng linggo? Or pwede siya mag-extend hanggang...
I don't think if I'm at liberty to say that or if I'm in the position to say that, pero to react about that, the status. But I'm hoping as an actor, as part of the team, na sana mag-extend pa siya. At sa pag-extend, sana kasama pa si Salida. Kaya sana po supportahan niyo ako.
Second to last question. Kung nasaan na kayo sa karera niyo ngayon? Ano na
I'm in a very
importante sa
good
inyo?
place. I'm in a very good place in my showbiz career. In terms of, In general, I think I'm in a very good place. Steady lang ako. And I'm so thankful that I'm there. I've gotten to that point of being in that Zen mode. Everything is steady.
Last, meron pa ba kaming aabangan sa inyo in the coming months or focus kayo dito?
May ginagawa kaming pelikula, may gagawin kaming pelikula ngayon ni Kailin Alcantara. I'm going to do Black Lipstick. It's a remake of Blues ang Itim. But this time, instead of it being Blues ang Itim, ginawang black na lipstick. Yung role ko, nireprise ni Kailin Alcantara. Ako naman yung magiging mommy na ngayon. Yung role ni Tamar Perez, role ko na ngayon, mommy na ako ni Kailin. Which should be very interesting and exciting to do.
Hindi siya?
No.
Major?
Ano siya, major?
Sinong producer?
Hindi ko pa pwedeng sabihin sa
Ganun.
ngayon.
Pero nagsisimula na kayong mag-shoot?
Magsisimula na sa April 9. Tapos may ginawa akong movie kakatapos lang. Papalabas na rin very soon. Watch out for last full show. It's starring J.M. De Guzman and the beautiful I'm sorry, sino ba itong kasama? I'm sorry, RC Munoz.
Wow.
I'm sorry, naku, RC, forgive me. Love na love ko yan si RC.
Mga
Si
taga-kabila yun.
Yeah. Sobra ka, hindi. Love ko si RC walang halong ka-plastikan yan. Talagang isa pa yan sa mga nagagandahan ako. Nasisexihan akong bata, tsaka mabait, tsaka jolog siya.
Sorry, hindi ko nakuha hindi ko nakuha yung synopsis ng
I'm sorry.
second.
Yung last full show, it's a love story na it's a rom-com.
It's a rom-com.
I'll put it that way na lang. And it is really a rom-com. Yung details ng pelikula, I'm not too sure about, but what I know about my role is that when I play the mommy of RC, who has cancer, but who will be her source of strength and inspiration. Kasi parang sa pagkakaalam ko, ayoko kasi magkamali ako ng kwento. Pero sa pagkaalam ko parang she's part of parang a PR advertising firm, parang gano'n, or I think part of a movie, parang gano'n.
Both out this year yung movies na yun.
They're gonna be out this year.
Salamat.
Both of them. Thank you.
Thank you.